In this video, I will guide you on how to fix can't play video codec not supported on your device. Now you can literally see the message over here. In some instances, you're going to see that the file type is not supported, and you should be able to see that message over here as well. Now, the way you fix the problem is quite simple. Basically, you want to go ahead and open up the settings of your device. And then from the settings, you want to locate the apps settings, which should be over here. Go ahead and tap on that. And then from here, you want to find the gallery application. You can literally see mine over here. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you want to scroll a little bit down, then find the storage option, select that, and then make sure you clear data and then clear cache. So go ahead and clear data just like so, and it should automatically clear cache. But if you clear the cache, also make sure you clear the data as well. And once you've done this, you want to come out of this. And from here, you want to tap on the first stop option. Just tap on it and then click on OK. Then you can go up a little bit and then select on the permissions option from over here. Go ahead and tap on contacts and then make sure it is set to allow. You want to come out, tap on location as well. Make sure it's set to allow while using this app as well. And then you can go over to your photos and videos. Make sure it is set to always allow all. You want to come out of that option, go over to music and audio, and also make sure it is set to allow as well. Now once you're done with all of these, the next thing you want to do is to basically restart your phone. So swipe down through the control center to get to the power menu, or you can just use any method used for your phone. But instead of powering it off, you want to tap on the restart option. So select on the restart, then click on restart and allow it to restart. Give it a couple of seconds to start the phone. And now you want to go ahead and just try to play a video on your phone and see if that will fix the problem for you. Okay, so this is a video and you can see that problem has been fixed. And this works absolutely well for literally any phone you have. I can go ahead and play this video as well. And as you can see, it works again absolutely well without any problem. If this was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.